No need to step on it. But if you do, I must insist that you change the name. It's no longer hip hop. It ain't rap. Put a chokehold on it. This is a classic release of mine. Black Feniks, Frank Lucas, or Uncut. This was released 6 years ago. As of this year, it was March the 5th, 2014, when it was actually released. And this was my first professional independent release project. And I learned a lot from this project. I learned a lot how to do business. I learned about the business, about friends, associates, about branding, about investing in yourself. And to sit back and look at it now, as you see, it's been on here, just regular on YouTube, and it got over 16,000 views. And you know, people have shared it and liked it, and it's still in rotation now. I'm still making money off the song, and it hasn't just caught fire, but it's been catching. On Facebook, it's got over 100,000 views. I think it's close, knocking on 200,000 views on Facebook. So different platforms, embraced it more. But I know I needed to keep going after I released this, but I had so much I was going through at the time, and there was so much I had to learn. So I had to literally step back from the game and learn the business part of it, because it's all about making a ROI, a return on your investment. And if you're not making a return on your investment, you need to diagnose or assess your business agenda or plans, to go back to the drawing board and figure out what you need to do that you're not doing right. So I had to step back from something that I love doing, which is hip hop. But it wasn't too much just about my expressions only, but it was also about being able to do my own thing, to paint my own picture, to be my own person. So it's not only about rapping and rhyming, but it was about expressing what I'm doing on an independent scale, because the picture that I was painting in this video was, you don't have to cut me. I'm gonna give it to you raw, like Frank Lucas. It wasn't about what he did necessarily, but it was about the mission behind it. How he took something, he took a product and he got it itself. He made it. Pretty much made it. He went and got it, and he gave you 100% product. And that's why, I came up with this Uncut, the Frank Lucas song, because the concept of it was me, Black Feniks, Hog on Welding. I'm going to do something that is going to be like him on that scale, because I'm from the streets. So, all I can do is relate my legit business to what I learned from the streets, and my goal was to have a product that didn't have to be cut. I wanted to create something that you didn't have to water down, you didn't have to tamper, you know what I mean? So this song, when I released this song, it was to pay homage to those that I grew up listening to, and to paint a picture of what I'm gonna be doing with business. I'm gonna give you something you don't have to cut. You can just enjoy it. But I wanted to paint a picture. I wanted it to be like a movie. I wanted it to be rememberable. And shout out to Director X out of Kansas City, who helped me make this possible. And now, like I say, it's still up. People are seeing it, and I'm about to do some more videos coming up soon, But I got to get other things in line as far as what I'm doing with business, because everything got a motive behind it. So every video is for a product, for a service. It's got a meaning. It's got a purpose. It's not just to just show off who I am or what I do. Black Feniks.